Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Rains bring down the hot temperatures and the body begins to demand a high calorie, spicy and nutritious food. And one such dish that I love to make is pineapple curry. Healthy, nutritious, juicy, spicy, sweet and sour, prebiotic, antioxidants, vitamins and fiber loaded. But before I tell you the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Wash away our assumptions and presumptions and bless us with sharp sight, clear hearing and keen curiosity, true knowledge, deep wisdom and far-sighted vision. And now for the recipe. Take a pineapple, preferably a fresh pineapple, and peel off the skin, including the chiseled eyes of the pineapple. Cut it into even medium-sized cubes and put them in a bowl. Now, once done, add turmeric powder, rock salt or any natural salt of your choice, red chili powder and coriander powder, cumin powder, and mix well and set aside to allow the pineapple to marinate for at least half an hour or so. And in the meantime, soak tamarind, and tamarind, remember, is the best tonic for healthy liver. And now sesame seeds and fresh coconut or desiccated coconut powder, garden fresh green chilies as per as your taste, curry leaves, again garden fresh, water from any natural source, and blend into a thin watery paste or a slurry. Now tomatoes as per as your taste and slice them into quarters. And once done, set aside till required to be used. And now aag lagao coconut or sesame oil. Aisa fatida and chef's DJ begins. Add cumin and the pitch rises. And there we are. Add mustard and there's the tempo. And now add a sprig of curry leaves and tomatoes, and there the pitch really rises. Now stir well. Add the cubes of pineapple and stir well. And add tamarind pulp. Remember, tamarind is alkaline, anti-cancer and antioxidants loaded and very good for liver. Add the sesame and coconut paste or slurry and stir well. Now take curd, yogurt, lassi, charge, buttermilk or milk. And why never to cook curd or yogurt? And how to cook curd or yogurt? And again, why never to cook curd or yogurt? You can stop the slide and read. Now whisk curd, yogurt, lassi, charge, buttermilk or milk itself and add and stir well. Stir well. Once done, add rock salt or any other natural salt, red chili, coriander powder, cumin powder, and homemade malabar, chettinad, Kerala meat masala or any garam masala of your choice. And this is the recipe that you can follow to make the masala at home also. And add malabar garam masala powder or any of these powders or any garam masala and stir well. Now time to taste and add corrections if required, if any. Well, so far so good, but wait. Sun-dried red chilies, this is as per as your taste, and jaggery or brown sugar, which is a must, and stir well. And the watchword, pineapple curry and any dish with milk products are never to be cooked for a long time. Reason I have given earlier. Now allow the pineapple curry to come to a light boil, and when it does, switch off the heat or the flame, then set aside the pineapple curry to cool down completely. Once it is cool, add lemon juice or one or more or as preferred by you, and when done, stir well. Now serve the healthy, nutritious, filling and prebiotic, antioxidants, vitamin, fiber loaded, sweet and sour pineapple curry to all your known. It is best paired with any type of rice, pulao, biryani or parantha, naan, kulcha or any type of a Indian or continental bread, and enjoy with all during rains on any rainy day.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.